Welcome to this year's homecoming assembly.
Obviously, this year we cannot do our normal assembly.
But we still wanted to introduce the teams and our representatives.
Up first, we are going to introduce the teams.
Starting with the middle school volleyball team coached by Shannon Dobbs.
Abby. Elena.
Kayla.
Madison.
Emily.
Next, we have the middle school football team coached by Rick McCafferty.
Dominic.
Nicholas.
Cole.
Cody.
Megan.
Brady.
Hunter.
Jerome.
The next team is the JV girls volleyball team coached by Sarah Cares.
I'm Avery.
Belle.
Angelina.
Brooklyn.
Anita.
Of course, we cannot forget the Varsity girls volleyball team coached by Katie Chapman.
Morgan.
Becky.
Eliza. Kaylee Kerr.
Next, we have the varsity cheer team coached by Jessica Roberts.
Brianna.
Kiana.
Zoe.
Savannah. Becky. Abigail.
Liza.
Kendra. Now, last but certainly not least, the varsity boys football team coached by Mr. Leonard.
Brendan.
Tyler. Miguel.
Robbie.
Alex.
Luke.
Harry.
Tristan.
Logan.
Now, on to the homecoming representatives.
Starting with the freshmen.
First,
Levi and Liza.
Then we have the juniors.
Brittany.
now for the homecoming queen and king candidates.
Starting with the queens. Abigail.
Morgan.
Kaylee Kerr.
Then we have the kings.
Miss Tristan.
Alex.
Don't forget to come to the game tonight at 7 p.m.
Make sure you wear red.
Hello, Terriers. Welcome to Homecoming Week. I hope all of you are having a really good time. And even though I know it's a little bit different, it can still be a lot of fun. Maybe there will be things that we come up with for this year that we keep doing years after. I'm pretty sure there will be something. The most important thing to remember is this is the week to remember and celebrate Terrier Pride, because all of us feel it. Pride in ourselves, pride in our school, pride in our community, pride in everything we do. And remember, folks, if you're a Terrier and you have Terrier pride, you understand that if you expect more, you will achieve more. Thank you very much. Have a great week. And as always, go Terriers!